Good evening. There is going to be a grand notification from both the states of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh for filling the vacancies in the Department of Police. In Telangana, there are more than 20,000 vacancies, and in Andhra Pradesh, there are more than 6,500 vacancies. And both the governments are gearing up to release the notification and fill up these vacancies. That is the reason why this is the time that you need to start your preparation very seriously. For this reason, first you need to understand the scheme of the examination, look at the syllabus very carefully, and what is the pattern of the examination. And after that, you need to start the preparation. And if you look at the syllabus here, in both preliminary and mains, you have general studies as well as the reasoning, arithmetic, data interpretation, and pure maths. Plus, in the main examination, apart from all these subjects, you also have two other papers which are qualifying in nature. They are English paper and Telugu paper. But for every paper, you need to start the preparation very seriously. And with respect to onlineias.com, we are offering a full-fledged course for SI of Police with respect to both Andhra Pradesh as well as Telangana. The complete course is ready as per the syllabus, and you may join at any time and you can start the preparation immediately. Kindly remember, whenever you are joining, you need to understand very clearly whether the subjects are taught with the quality or not. And we are known for teaching the subjects with utmost quality. Every care is taken to make the subject to understandable to the students. That is the reason why this is the best platform for you all who are wishing to write the SI of Police and Constable examination with respect to Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. You may join and you may enjoy the quality classes. With the quality classes, you will be understanding the subjects very fast, plus your preparation will be done at the earliest. Meaning, you will be ready for the examination very soon. All the classes are very much ready, and the actual fees is 9,900 rupees, but we have reduced the fee to 5,900 rupees up to October 30th, 2020. So by 11:30 in the evening on October 30th, you please make use of this provision and join for the quality classes. Along with the classes, you will also be provided with the PDF material. You will also be provided with the question bank, and before prelims and before the main examination, you will also be provided with a huge number of practice tests. Meaning, this is the platform, right? This is the platform for you, which is considered to be the right platform where everything that you require is available, and that too at a very reasonable price. And for all the serious students who want to join the course, I would like to show you how to join the course. In order to join the course, please open our site www.onlineias.com or www.kalyanias.com. In the menu bar, please move towards SI of Police. Here you can see the demos. Before you join, I suggest all of you to watch the demos. Only after you get convinced, you are requested to join. And we are offering the courses in both Telugu medium and English medium. We are offering for Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. For Andhra Pradesh, Telugu medium is separate, English medium is separate. For Telangana, Telugu medium is separate, English medium is separate. So you can also have a look at this. And the complete syllabus will be covered. 100% syllabus will be covered. After that, once you are satisfied, you can go for the registration. For the purpose of registration, click there. You will be taken to the next page where you can see, just scroll down, you can see AP SI of Police, English medium and Telugu medium, Telangana SI of Police, English medium and Telugu medium. Please choose the medium and the state as per your requirement. Then click on here. For example, you want to join for Telangana SI of Police English Medium. Then please click here and you are requested to register yourself. Right? And here this is the page where you need to give your details. Look at the left side of the screen where you are expected to give your name, you are expected to give your phone number, you are expected to give your mail ID. So these are the details that you need to give. And after that, so you can proceed towards payment. Look at the fees, very reasonable fee we are offering at just 5,900 rupees. And kindly remember, this is for entire prelims and main examination. This will include all the syllabus that is given in the for the examination. That includes general studies. This includes reasoning, arithmetic, data interpretation, pure maths. In the main examination, you have two qualifying nature papers, Telugu and English. Everything will be provided to you. Once you give your details, you select either Paytm or CC Avenue. That is your option. Both are same, meaning both will work in the same manner. And after that one, you please click here. Then click here for the registration purpose. So next you will be taken to the payment gateway where you can finish up your payment either through credit card or debit card or net banking. In any manner you can go for it. Right? And the moment you finish up your payment process, immediately you will get a mail and you will also get the access. And if you want to go for some other easy procedure to join, so this is the procedure here. Please take a pic of this. Look at very clearly. In Telangana, more than 20,000 vacancies. Andhra Pradesh, 6,500 vacancies. And we are offering in both Telugu medium as well as English medium. Right? And look at this. Look at the price. Actual price is 9,900. We are offering this at 5,900 up to October 30th. Up to October 30th, 2020. Before that, you please join. And anyone who wants to pay through Google Pay or Phone Pay or Paytm, this is my mobile number. This is my GPay, Phone Pay and Paytm account number. You can make the payment. Then you please send your details like screenshot of the payment, your name, your WhatsApp number, because we are maintaining a WhatsApp group where communication is maintained with all. Next, you need to give your mail ID. Mention the course. Course is SI of Police. Also mention medium. Also mention the state, either Andhra Pradesh or Telangana. And send all your details to my WhatsApp number. So here is my WhatsApp number, which you already know. And if you want to send your details to my mail ID, you can use it. So that's it. So within half an hour, you will get the access and you can start accessing the classes. But please remember, whenever you want to join anywhere, the first thing what you need to know is that whether the quality is there or not. So here we are assuring 100% quality with respect to all the subjects. Maybe reasoning, maybe arithmetic, maybe pure maths, maybe any subject in general studies. Everything will be provided at a very reasonable cost and with the highest and utmost quality. This is the right platform for you, and kindly make use of this particular platform. Prepare well and get into the job. Kindly remember, police job is really a prestigious job. So this is the job where you will be there in direct contact with the people and you will have the direct opportunity to solve the difficulties of the people. So be serious, start your preparation very seriously, join the classes and go ahead. I wish you all a very, very good luck and I see you during the classes. And kindly remember, whatever the current affairs are there, those current affairs updates will be given to you every time. And separate question bank for current affairs for both Telugu medium and English medium will be provided to you. You can enjoy all the privileges, you can enjoy all the benefits here, and you will be definitely you have to succeed and you must get into the Department of Police with your respective state. either Telangana or Andhra Pradesh. Once again, I wish you all a very, very, very good luck. Thank you so much.